Hi viewers, today I would like to explain you about the animation for disappearing a house. So let me share the screen. As you all know that we are going to develop Flash animation and we are using the software Adobe Animate CC 2019. And now this is the environment, this is the look and feel. Just I'm opening a new environment of Flash animation. Just clicking on the file menu and click on new again. You will be getting a new environment when you click on create. This is how it appears. Let's wait for a second and click on create so that a new environment of the Flash animation is open. As of now, I'm going to explain you about disappearing the house. For this animation, I'm going to use two layers. You all know that by default, it displays layer 1. If you see here below in the timeline, see here in the below timeline, we'll get the default layer, that is layer 1. And I'm using the second layer, that is layer 2 for this animation. So why I'm using two layers? The two layers is for, one layer is for ground because house need to have a base. So one layer is for ground or like earth, and the second layer is to draw the house. So it moves from one frame to the another frame. Let's suppose say if it moves from the starting frame to the ending frame. At the starting frame, the house need to be appeared, and when in the execution mode, when I execute, when the frame reaches to the end execution, when the execution reaches for the end frame, automatically the house need to be disappeared on the ground. So for this, I'm using two layers. Let me start the practical. So now, if you observe here, I'm just renaming my layer 1 just by double clicking with the left button of the mouse as ground. Just press enter. So you select the first frame of the ground layer. You select the rectangle tool from the toolbox. Just you use the paint bucket tool so that the ground actually appears in green color. I'm drawing an object, that is, it should be displayed like ground. Let's suppose that this is a ground, which if you need to change the color, if you are willing to change the color, please use the paint bucket tool and impose the color. And this need to be displayed till, let's suppose say 50 frames or 100 frames. You just select with the left button of the mouse, your right click and click on insert keyframe. It says that the ground need to be displayed when I execute. It moves from first frame to the 50th frame. Okay. So now just lock the ground layer so that no changes need to be done for the ground layer. So I lock the ground layer and I'm using the second layer, just clicking on the icon. This is for new layer icon. Just I'm clicking on that. If you observe, it displays as layer 2. Just rename this layer 2 by just single click or double click with the mouse, left button of the mouse. It will be coming into the edit mode, and now just rename it as house. I just done it. Just press enter. Now go to the first frame of the house layer and just draw the house by using your creativity. Just I'm using some rectangle tool, just some applying some other color for the house. Just draw the house on the ground. Also, I'm using the line tool from the toolbox and just I'm drawing the lines so that it will form like a house. This entire thing, I have used here two different tools. One is rectangle tool and the second thing is line tool. So I'm applying the color for the house, so that for the top of the house, this is what my house is. So everything I have drawn in the first frame of the second layer, that is house layer. This need to be displayed till the 50th frame. So just select the 50th frame with the left button of the mouse. Just give a right click and click on insert keyframe. It says that in the execution time, when I execute, from the first frame to the 50th frame, the house need to be appear. So my module is to disappear a house. So when it reaches at the first frame, the house need to be appeared, and when it reaches to the last frame, that is 50th frame or 100th frame according to your selection of your frames, it need to be disappeared. So for that, what I need to do is, you just select the house layer, you just select the first frame of the house layer, and if you observe, there is a properties window here. There is an option called color effect. Just expand the color effect. There is a sub option called style. Just drag it. It will be expanded. Just click on alpha and check whether the alpha is 100 or not. Yes, it is 100. So now the next step is just go to the 50th frame. That is the last frame of your house layer. The same thing, go to the properties again. Go to the color effect again, expand it, and now you need to check style as alpha, and now you need to select this and drag towards left so that my alpha will be 0%. So if you see on the screen, there is no house here. Just now you go to the left frame, you go to the first frame of the house layer. With the left button of the mouse, you just select it. Just I'm selecting with the left button of the mouse. From the first layer to the last layer, you just use a nice, well-working mouse so that no disturbance occurs. So I feel some difficulty in selecting. Now just with the left button of the mouse, you just select it. So still I face the difficulty. So as if I'm using the laptop. So now it is okay. Just selecting from the first frame to the 50th frame of house layer only. Just release it after reaching the last frame. If you observe, only house layer has selected. Do a right click and click on create shape tween. If you observe, there is a straight arrow. It says that my animation is in correct way. So now I have completed my work, backend work. Just I'm saving the file. Go to file and click on save. I'm renaming it as just disappearing house. Just if you observe here, my save as type file is .fla, that is, it indicates a flash animation. .fla, just click on save button. It just renamed as Untitled 3 is renamed as disappearing a house. Now the next step is to execute. Just press Control Enter for execution. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is what my output is. So from the first frame, that is from the house layer, when it reaches to the 50th frame, from 100% to 0%, the value of alpha is decreasing in color effect in the properties window. So this is what my output is. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a nice day. Thank you.